Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can link or connect Huawei Watch Fit 4 and 4 Pro to GCash. So a quick answer to that is no, because currently GCash does not support direct linking or pairing with any smartwatch, including Huawei Watch 4 and 4 Pro. However, you can still receive GCash notifications on Huawei Watch Fit 4 and 4 Pro. So here's how you can do it. So first is go ahead and download the Huawei Health application. And once downloaded, just go ahead and open it. Now once you're in, go ahead and tap on the devices at the bottom. So in here, you will see the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. So what you're going to do is just click on this add device at the bottom of that to link both devices. So once you click on that one, you will just be asked to allow notifications. So just go ahead and click on allow. Now after that, just go ahead and click on the notifications in here. And from here, just go ahead and enable the notifications. So there you have it. It is already enabled. So what you're going to do is just scroll all the way down and find the GCash application. And then what you're going to do next is just toggle on or enable the notifications for that application, which is the GCash. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can receive GCash notifications on Huawei Watch Fit 4 and 4 Pro. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!